How to download and install IPVanish for iOS, iPhone, iPad. Step-by-step install guide for iOS. The following guide will walk you through how to install the IPVanish app on an iOS device. 1. To get started using IPVanish for iPhone and iPad, iOS, visit the App Store from your iOS device. 2. Type IPVanish in the search box to pull up our application in the App Store. 3. Tap the download icon to download and install the IPVanish app. 4. Tap the open button to launch the app. 5. Tap the allow button to enable IPVanish to send you notifications. 6. Log in with your registered IPVanish email and password. Replace email address with your IPVanish email address. 7. Once you have logged into the app, tap Get Started after you have read our privacy notice. 8. Choose your on-demand options. 9. Tap Finish to complete the setup process. 10. Tap Allow to let our app set up the VPN connection profile on your device to allow you to connect to IPVanish. We do not monitor or log any VPN activity. This is a generic message from Apple iOS. 11. Next, you will be redirected to the dashboard of the IPVanish app as shown below. To connect to the VPN, select your preferred country, city, and server, and click the Connect button. 12. The red Disconnect button at the bottom of the app confirms that you are connected to the VPN. Your download and upload speeds and data volume will be displayed as green and white graphs.